Okay, baby whipping up that chicken. Let's see that seasoning game. Okay. What that is right there, baby? Boy yoing. Chicken boy yoing. That Goya. Suzon. Sazon. Sazon. This chicken about to be sazon. Yeah. I feel like Ice Cube on Friday when he was like, yeah. Open up the can and get ready to eat. But he ain't had no milk. I ain't got no milk either, but I got chicken and sazon and some other stuff on the side. Oh yeah, that season about the onion powder. You got to have the onion powder. Baby, whip it up. Wrist game. What else we got? Wait. Oh, the garlic. Got to have the garlic. Look at the wrist. Look at the wrist. Look at that. Look at that wrist. Woo. That is a seasoning concoction. I'm about to sneeze already. If you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned. Creole gang, definitely Creole, y'all. R.I.P. my beautiful grandma, my beautiful mama. They was from Oakdale, Louisiana. Parsley, got to have the parsley. Good greenery. Look at that. Whoa. Damn. Oregano. All right now. That's gonna be good. I can't wait till it's done. Zoom in on that. Need some more water down there?
No, it's still water down there.
Oh.
Yeah, we gotta pour that out.
There's a lot of water in there still?
Yeah, it's gonna take the seasoning right off the chicken.
Alright, y'all. YouTube, y'all get to see a little blooper. A little blooper ain't nothing. You know how you make the noodles, you gotta get rid of that water macaroni, you gotta do what you gotta do. But that seasoning, I'm talking about that seasoning for a reasoning. Now that's how you make some chicken. Look at that. That chicken just don't know. He was better off this way. What else you gotta do after that with the season? That's it. You gotta just
season it. Flour. I'll show you.
Okay. My son love coming in here in the kitchen. Look, you on video? Yep. You gotta get his hair braided. Promotion coming up soon. Going to kindergarten, right, son? Let's stop by real quick. Make me a video of this chicken for YouTube. Yep. See, gotta always wash them hands. She washed her hands at least 6-10 times. Whoa, what's going on, y'all? Come on, son. You know Scooby. Come here, Scooby. Scooby. Scooby, no, you can't do that. Look at Scooby, y'all. Scooby woke up. Scooby trying to take him a little nap. He said, I can't take a nap. Can't take a nap, Scooby Scoob. Look at that Scooby Scoob. Look at that Scooby Scoob. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, my boy. Son. Watch the movie. Scooby, come here. You ain't about to pee, is you? No! Come on, man.